Hello and welcome to pmclounge.com. It's an interesting topic that we are discussing today. It's called short subjects, and you can see the traffic lights here because this is all about start, stop, and continue. So, what exactly is this topic? Let's get started. Let's try to understand. If you're into reading articles, if you would rather read about this topic, then check out the first link in the description. Also, this video is part of our Agile series. So, if you're preparing for your PMP certification, the Agile part of your PMP certification can be covered if you check out the second link in the description, which is the entire playlist of all the agile topics that we have covered so far. All right, that being clear, that being said, let's get started. Now, if you're watching this video as a standalone video and not from the Agile playlist, you will have no idea what exactly we are talking about here, right? So essentially, we are talking about retrospective meetings, and there are certain tools and techniques of retrospective meetings that can be used. There are 4 steps to each retrospective meeting. Set the stage, and there are tools and techniques of how you can set the stage. Gather data, tools and techniques for gather data are also there. Generate insights, and then decide what to do. So there are tools and techniques for all 4 steps. We have actually covered the tools and techniques of the first 3 steps, and short subject is a tool under the decide what to do step of retrospective meeting. So what exactly is short subjects? Let's get to the point now. Till now, since we talked about the 4 steps of retrospective meeting, till now, when you have arrived at the 4th step, the team has already gathered the data and team has also generated insights. So short subjects, they are going to help you to convert this insights and the data that you have into an action plan. Because end of the day, the outcome of retrospective meeting is not just minutes of the meeting, it's actually how you are going to take action, right? What is your action plan? So short subjects help you do exactly that. The moderator, the scrum master could be the moderator, the project manager, the agile project manager could be the moderator, it could be someone else, but the moderator is going to put short subjects on a whiteboard. Or let's say if you are doing this online remote with a remote team, you can check out an online tool that helps you do that. So what you're going to do is you're going to put short subjects on the top, and then whatever insights or the data that the team has basically collected, they are going to put all their suggestions in the right categories, right? So the moderator is putting the subjects, these are essentially the categories, and then the team, they are going to arrange the whatever data and insights that they have under the right categories. They may have certain suggestions as well based on the insights and data that has been generated. So a very common set of short subjects is start doing, stop doing, continue doing. And this is the reason why you saw that traffic light in the beginning of this video, right? So essentially what happens is the moderator is going to write start, stop, continue on the top of a whiteboard. And based on the data and the insights and the suggestions that the team have, they are going to arrange, the team members are going to arrange those stuff under these 3 categories. So that is how short subjects actually work. Now the team can categorize all the feedback that they have received into these 3 actions. So this is an example. What you should start doing, you should be more frequent about communication of the milestones. What should you stop doing? Meetings without agenda, just a meeting that has a Zoom invite. We should stop doing that. That could have been one of the suggestions. What should you continue doing? Pair programming. It might be possible that pair programming is doing great within your projects, so you should continue doing it. Jira training and using more complex capabilities of Jira. This is something the team suggests that you continue doing, right? So this is an example of how an action plan is essentially put into place, because you see we have action items to take care of. We need to start doing this, we need to stop doing this, and we need to continue doing this, right? So that is why short subjects is basically a tool under decide what to do step of retrospective meetings. Question for this video: what short subjects have you been using? Have you ever used this technique to begin with? Let me know in the comments. Definitely looking forward to your answers. And that's all that we had in this video. I hope you got value out of it and were able to understand what short subjects really is. Like, share, subscribe. Check out our website pmclounge.com. If you like our work, consider contributing at pmclounge.com/contribute or make use of the thanks button on YouTube itself. We are the #1 free PMP and project management resource. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye.